eat and be happy. Don't, guys. Anyhow, I am going to answer a few questions today. The one that really comes up a lot in my DM, not a lot, but more often than usual. Where do I find time? I get that a lot, guys. Where do I find time to do what I do? Sharing on social media, creating content. That's called creating content. Sharing things, videos on social media. Being someone who's just busy, okay? Family, business, and doing other things in life. Time is of essence. If I give you my time, you are special. If you are around me at a particular time of day and I'm speaking to you, whether by phone and in person, you are special. Because time you cannot get back, and I don't want to waste no one's time. All right, so I'm going to show you a few things that help me create content. Let's get into it. What happened? Tell him. Really? Before I do that, I'm going to have my fat release, all right? My little fat release product here. This helps, it pretty much just helps cut your appetite, number one. It helps make you feel full and cut a lot of fat carbs in your food. So by the time you're eating and you're going to feel full. You're going to feel full real quick and you're not going to finish up your plate. And not only that, it helps block a lot of fat and carbs in your food, unwanted stuff that we don't really want too much of, and that's good. So it's gonna help maintain your weight and also help you lose weight. All right, okay, what you're gonna need first and foremost is calendar. All right, I like physical calendars. I like to have the calendar in my hand. I don't want nothing on my phone. I'm old school. I like old school planner. I like calendars. Okay, it makes things easier. I have it ready. Sometimes my phone is not available, so I have my calendar in front of me. And what I like to do is, I know that I can't post every day of the week because life is happening, okay? I am an adult. I'm adulting, so I can't be on social media and posting constantly. It's not happening. So calendars help me. I can say during the week, I want to post 3 times this week. So what days am I going to post? I'll choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On Monday, I might post something motivation. So I write motivation Mondays. On Wednesday, I might post a fitness video, right? I'm just giving you something out of the top of my head. Fitness videos. And Fridays, date night, fun night, sexy, dancing, having fun, right? Some juicy stuff, all right? Because life is a balance, okay? We can't always be so conservative. And I'm far from that. So that's how I do it. So I pick 3 days and I write them down on my calendar, right? So I know Mondays motivation, Wednesdays fitness, something fitness. The Friday might be something date related or fun girls night or whatever. Sunday might be, you know, those who know me, family day, right? I'm big on family day and blah, blah, blah. So this is my calendar for the week. This is what I'm going to post on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Saturday is known as small business days. So I know Saturday, I'm going to do something related to my business, right? Whether it's taking you with me to the post office, showing you how I package something, showing you the background things, whatever it is. It happens on Saturday, right? Small business couple. If you don't know what planners to get, what books to get, I like pretty things. I like all things pretty. I love cute pens. I'm a pen hoarder. I love pens. I love pens. Check out She Focus, okay? She has a great planner. All right, I'll tag her. Go check out her planner. They're only $20, but they're perfect. They're perfect for anyone who needs organization. So organization is the key, guys. Period. So once you got that done, this is what you're going to do next. Okay, so now you have your calendar and you have your book, right? So what you're going to do on a day where you're not adulting, where you're not busting your butt at work, where you're not running after the kids, a day where you are off. Some of us are off 2 days out of the week, Saturday, Sunday, or whatever day it is. Some of us have 2 days off, 3 days off, right? So out of the 2 days, I hope you can manage to give yourself some time for yourself. I make time for myself. I take time for myself. There's no way I'm working this hard in my life and I can't have some time for myself. No, okay? And I understand a lot of us have small kids. I don't have small babies, thank God. However, I still have a family and I have to play my role, right? But out of the 2 days that you are off, one day, let's make it family day. But that other day is for you to do your little errands and do you, right? I get up early Saturdays and do what I have to do, okay? So on Saturdays, sometimes, not every freaking Saturday, because there's days where I'm just dead and I'm tired and it's just not happening, or I just can't because I'm just really busy. So on Saturdays, I take my book, right? I have my calendar, take my book. I sit here I give myself 3 hours tops, 3-4 hours tops, and create content pertaining to what I have on my calendar. So Mondays are motivational Mondays. So I get into costume, I get into gear, okay? And up in my book, okay, we're gonna do this on Monday. So, right, we're gonna talk about this on Monday. So I'm gonna get up here, read, boom, get my camera ready, get everything set up, okay? And then, boom, I shoot my video. Save, I'm done, okay? Okay, so on Saturdays, sometimes, not every freaking Saturday, because there's days where I'm just dead and I'm tired and it's just not happening, or I just can't because I'm just really busy. So on Saturdays, I take my book, right? I have my calendar, take my book. I sit here I give myself 3 hours tops, 3-4 hours tops, and create content pertaining to what I have on my calendar. So Mondays are motivational Mondays. So I get into costume, I get into gear, okay? And up in my book, okay, we're gonna do this on Monday. So, right, we're gonna talk about this on Monday. So I'm gonna get up here, read, boom, get my camera ready, get everything set up, okay? And then, boom, I shoot my video. Save, I'm done, okay? Listen, especially if you're a business owner, especially if you're inspired to do things on social media and you're just disorganized and don't know where to start and how to do it. Focus. Okay? So when I'm done, I might decide to do a second video pertaining to motivation. It might be one talking video where I'm actually talking. It might be a dancing video. It might be a quote. It might be a picture, whatever it is. But I try to make 2 content. Or 3. Again, content is what you're sharing on social media. Content is what you're posting. It's content. I hope it has context. So that's how I do it. So once I'm done filming that Motivation Monday content, I shut down. Okay? Then I look at my calendar again. Wednesday, workout Wednesdays. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky. If workout Wednesdays are usually my videos where I share exercise you can do at home real quick, okay? Now, I like to film when I'm working out. So if I'm done working out, I take 30 minutes just to summarize my workout by filming myself. And that helped me with looking back at my form, if I was doing the exercise right, if I'm seeing improvement. So I like to film myself for that reason too. But I summarize my workout and then I share it with you on, let's say, Wednesdays to motivate you to do something at home, right? Save that video. Sometimes it's with the same clothes. Sometimes it's not with the same clothes. I change. It's work. It is work. You have to go into your room, your closet, change up and put something new on because it's a new video for Wednesday. Yes, that's how. That will take, because I already know I already have it all planned. I'm not new to this, so it goes quick. I do it really fast and I'll be done quick. On Fridays, certain things you cannot pre-record, because say like date night Fridays is actually live. So if I'm really getting ready to go with the girls or just doing something with the family, it's live. So you'll get a live video every now and then. You'll get live content like the day of or the day after type content. But for the most part, pre-recorded videos, you have to prepare in advance. You have to have the costume ready. You have to change your hair, put a little makeup on. It is like, it's just like being on television. It is a work. It is job. You think it's easy? It is not. It's a whole lifestyle. Okay? So now your next content will be Small Business Saturdays. So what are you going to film about your business to post on Saturday? If you're able to go live that day, and take people with you live, that meaning you're filming the day of, you're doing everything today, then fine, so be it. But sometimes you just don't know what may happen, so just get it out the way. If you have an order that you're packing up, film it real quick, videotape it real quick, and come Saturday, you share it, okay? And whether you're giving a discount code, whether you're trying to get people to go to your website, perfect, okay? But film it. Get into the habit of filming yourself packing orders. Talking to people about your business, educating people about your business. Those things are great for Saturday, the weekend, because most people are home and scrolling. If you're more so of a service person, then talk about that. Show what service you do. Take people behind the scene on how you prepare for this service, and just give more details so that where they can find you. Show some reviews. You just gotta really be creative and think outside the box. So when you're pre-recording, you require a lot of energy. You do have to put your phone on do not disturb, or like me right now, I'm filming on a different phone so that I'm not disturbed. Okay, so if the phone rings, I'm good. So I have a different phone where I film all my content. So if it rings, my phone rings, I ignore the phone, because this one that I'm filming on won't be disturbed. Okay, so you do require a lot of thinking, a lot of creativity. All right, I'm very creative. My mind is always working. It's a playground in my mind. Okay, I don't know. Very creative, and it comes from, I'm gonna say, just reading a lot. Number one, I like fantasy stuff and watching a lot of fantasy stuff. I love that, and being around people who are creative too. But if you don't have creativity, then this is why social media is available to you. Scroll through something, you might find inspiration, okay? And follow people that are like you or like your business to get inspired. There's nothing wrong with following someone that does the same thing as you do. There's nothing wrong with that. You're going to get motivated and it's going to inspire you, but don't copy. If you're going to copy, give the person credit, okay? Like, unlike TikTok, you can copy because the app is known for copying people's dancing and doing it too. But the person that created the dance or the video is always normally on top. Okay, so TikTok is different, but credit the person that you saw. Okay, because a lot of us don't give people credit, and credit is due. So if someone inspires you, just let them know. But also keep in mind, if you're going to copy someone, do it better. Don't copy me to the T. Do it better than me. Try to do it better than me, or add something to it that makes it a little bit of your own. Okay, if that makes sense, it's very important to do that. So it's really important to think outside about the box and be creative. And if you're not creative, then get inspired. Follow people that are in the same business as you are and become inspired. Okay, and that's that. People will try to steal your stuff. Because they do that a lot on the app. Okay, because you are small. Content, your content is small, your following is small. That means nothing, actually. Okay, I don't care if you have 100 people following you. Those are your 100 people that you need to do content for and make them aware of who you are, period. But because your content is small, there's a huge chance that your business, your ideas might be taken and refurbished. Okay, it happens. So put your logo on your videos. Learn to do that, or put something on your video just to give it some type of identity, if that makes sense. All right, because I was watching something where a woman was crying because they stole her entire trademark. They took a whole business, design, idea, everything, because she had no legal stuff done in her business. I don't know why, but I didn't get into it. But just really be smart about what you're doing when you're sharing your stuff, the stuff that you create. Be smart about it. Some of us, we'll reach a level where we don't have to do. All right, so we got that. We talked about the calendar, the book. We talked about picking a day to create all your content, everything that you have to do in one day, right? So now, what do you do next when you're done filming your 3 days, 4 days worth of content for the week? What do you do next? This is what you do. So I have an app. It's called Hoot Sweet. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Hootie Sweet. I'll tag it down here somewhere. I'll put it down. So that application allows me to schedule, yes, allows me to schedule when I want this video to be shared and posted. Okay, so you may think when I drop a video, I'm dropping it now, like I'm on my phone and I'm posting it right now. That is not the case. It's never the case. Not always the case, okay? So I have the app. It just posts everything for me at 9 o'clock, okay? Because a lot of us can't afford people to manage our social media. So there are great apps that can help you organize your life, your business life, okay? So do some research, go on your computer and type in scheduling apps, social media scheduling apps. Okay, so you don't have to use mine in particular, because with that app you have to connect to Facebook, you have to create an account, and there's a pro account, there's a free account, so it's up to you. It's all on you. But that is a very helpful app because you don't have to remember to do something. All right. A lot of the time, like I said, we are adulting and we will forget to post or to share something you want to share, but you can't, just so busy, things happen. But at least you know there's an app in the background doing the job for you, like kind of like an assistant, right? So look into those apps, okay? If you cannot get it for what, okay, you're going to have to find a way to remember to post them. Create a timer, a schedule on your phone to help you remember when to post those videos. That's it. That's the only other option, or hire someone to do it for you. Okay, if they have that too. If you go on Fiverr, Fiverr, and you type in social media manager, you type in video editors for a very cheap price, guys, you will get all that done for you. Yes, you can. But again, because I'm so used to doing it, I have not explored that options yet, but I know people who have, and they're very comfortable. Yes. What? Kojak, I need to talk. Very rude. So, yeah, so you can do that, okay? So you got all that together. So now the final thing is just being consistent, right? So you have your content, you have your content idea, you have your calendar, you have your book, you have your equipment set up, you have to figure out whether you're going to use an app to, and business is not a quick money-making scheme. It takes time to develop clients. It takes time to develop revenue. You're going to put a lot of money out. So all of this that I showed you is investment. These are the investment that I put into my business, because if I make some revenue, I'm going to take some of that to buy a cell phone holder. Anything to make the business easier, to make my life easier. Okay, so it requires a lot of work. And if you're not really passionate about what you do, you're not going to last long. I'm not going to see you for a long time. I know, because you're full of shit. Because you know you're not serious about your business. You just wanted to do it just because you want to show people. No, it really has to be something you believe in, and you believe that someone out there will love. And most of the time, that's always the case. Somebody out there will love whatever it is you have to offer. Okay, you're solving a problem, whatever it is, health, fitness, beauty, whatever. Just keep pushing, stay consistent, show up, do what you have to do, and that's it. Okay, and just trust the process. That's it, guys. I hope you like it. See you guys next time. Ciao.